Hello my lovelies, I'm so happy you're here with me today. We're going to be making a honeycomb egg decoration. This is so perfect for Easter, but we're only going to be making it from a simple block of post-it notes. Okay, so I know you want me to get straight into it. You're going to need an egg shape. It needs to fit onto your post-it note, the unsticky part. Okay, just to let you know, this area is 6 by 7 centimeters. Okay, and then all you're going to do is stick one of your post-it notes down so you can see the egg, and then you're just going to trace the egg. Then cut out 20 egg shapes. So you're going to use 20 of these. I'll meet you back here when you're done. Okay, they're looking so pretty already. We have our 20 egg shapes, and I have rubbed out all of the pencil that I drew around the edge. You don't want any dark pencil marks on the outside of your egg shapes. Then we're going to take one of our shapes and fold it in half down the middle lengthways. And then you are going to fold in half again. Then you're going to fold it down that middle. Got to be a little bit careful on this one, but just do it to the best you can. Then we'll open it out. I'm going to put a mark on this one, put a mark on this one, and one on this one. Okay, so 3 kind of evenly spaced marks, and then what you're going to do is shadow it up to the next one. Mark that one and the other 2. And then with our second one, we're going to fold it in half, take our PVA glue, and you're going to dab it where the middle mark is. And then you're going to fold it over. And then you're going to do that with every single one of these. Feel free to pause the video and I'll do it as well. And then we'll meet back here. Right, now you have all your half eggs, you are going to glue the other 2 dots on those eggs. I'm just going to mark out the other 2 dots. And this is going to make your honeycomb effect. And then you're just going to glue those 2 dots, and then just take the next half and pop it onto the top. Making sure you line them up nicely, and then just hold down those bits so they're really glued together nicely for a couple of seconds. And that's the basis of your honeycomb. You're going to then repeat that for the other ones, and I'll meet you back here when you've done that. Alright, so now you've got all your 20 lined up and you have allowed your glue to dry, and we're just going to fan this out. So pretty. Smarten it up a little bit. I'm going to put some ribbon in the middle to hold this up. It's going to be a hanging decoration. So I'm just using some Celebrate ribbon from Hobbycraft. This is just 6mm ribbon, but you can use anything that you like. Tie a knot in my ribbon, like this, just to make it nice and secure. I'm going to glue the ribbon into the middle. We're going to put glue on the ribbon all the way down, put in there, like so. The last bit of this, one there. Moment of truth, just very carefully stick that together. Just make sure all the pieces are opened up. Perfect for my Easter tree, and if you like this video, you will like this video here. Thanks guys, see you later, bye!